Good morning, children. 11th Science. In redox reaction, today we are ending the lesson. Problem number 8.2, first one, Ki3, potassium triiodide. We have to find the oxidation number of iodine. Let the oxidation number of iodine is x. So by this method, if we will solve, it will give us 1 plus 3x is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 upon 3. But oxidation number can't be in fraction, so let us understand it by chemical method. So K पोटेशियम के ऊपर +1, ये दो जो आयोडीन है ना और ये थर्ड आयोडीन, इनके बीच में कोऑर्डिनेट कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड होता है. व्हाट इज कोऑर्डिनेट कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड? इन दिस only this iodine is giving the electron, providing the electron to these iodine. ये दोनों I2 मॉलिक्यूल बन गया, ये थर्ड आयोडीन है और ये इसको दे रहा है. ठीक है. सो दिस इज अ टाइप ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड, यानी दिस दे थ्री आर शेयरिंग. दिस इज अ कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड, बट दिस वन इज ओनली प्रोवाइडिंग द इलेक्ट्रॉन टू इट. So coordinate covalent bond is there between an atom of iodine, ये atom of iodine, and a molecule of iodine. I2 क्या होता है बेटा? Molecule होता है. So the oxidation number of two iodine atoms are 0, potassium का +1, and the third iodine atom is -1. So in these type of question we have to solve it by chemical method. Then a few questions I will take from 8.3. Whatever I am not solving, you try to solve by yourself. If any time any problem is there, you can ask. Justify that these reactions are redox reactions. So CuO यानी cuprous oxide, ऑक्सीजन रिमूव हो गया, दैट मीन्स रिडक्शन, एंड H2 में ऑक्सीजन ऐड हो गया तो ऑक्सीडेशन. सो लेट अस फाइंड देयर. should I write here CuO reduced and H2 oxidized. Why? Because O is added, right? दूसरी मेथड क्या होगी? CuO, the oxidation state is +2 -2, here 0, here Cu 0, and H2 में hydrogen +1 and oxygen -2. So what we see here, CuO +2 -2. So oxidation number of copper decreases from +2 to 0, correct? And oxidation number of H2 is from 0 to +1, यानी oxidation is there. Therefore it copper लिखो, copper +2 to 0, hydrogen 0 to +1. So this is oxidation and this is reduction. Therefore it is a redox reaction. Correct? Next is Fe2O3 plus 3CO, carbon monoxide is equal to Fe plus CO2. So Fe2O3 में Fe का ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट क्या होगा बेटा? +3. तुम अब एक्स वाली मेथड से कैलकुलेट करना मालूम है तुम्हें. ऑक्सीजन -2, दिस CO में कार्बन का +2 एंड हियर इट इज़ -2. क्यों? क्योंकि x -2 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 2. राइट. Fe का 0, CO2 में कार्बन का ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट विल बी +4. हाउ? x -4 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 4. So carbon is +4 and oxygen is -2. So what we see, Fe from +3 to 0, दिख रहा है? +3 से 0. So it is reduction, right? Carbon +2 से +4 oxidation, +2 to +4 यानी oxidation. Therefore it is a redox reaction. Okay? वैसे भी Fe2O3 reduce हो रहा है, देख दो यहाँ reduced. Why reduced? Oxygen is removed. Okay? कार्बन में ऑक्सीजन is added, so CO is oxidized. In this way we have to write the answer, and finally therefore it is a redox reaction. Similarly अमोनिया वाला ले लो लास्ट वन, 4NH3 plus 5O2 is equal to NO plus 6H2O. So when you will find the oxidation state, it will become -3, n का x -3 is equal to 0, x plus 3 is equal to 0, so x is equal to -3, hydrogen plus 1, oxygen 0, NO में what will be the oxidation state, +2 -2, and here +1 and -2. So what we see, NH3 में H रिमूव हो गया and oxygen ऐड हो गया, so it is oxidized. NH3 should I write here? NH3 is oxidized. Correct. Then oxygen में hydrogen is added, so oxygen is reduced, O2 reduced, is it? Then we will write nitrogen -3 2 +2, यानी oxidation. Then comes oxygen 0 to -2, reduction. So we see that therefore it is a redox reaction. Clear? In this way we have to solve this question. Now one interesting question I got, that is 8.4. Fluorine reacts with ice and results in the change. So HF and HOF both are formed. Now you have to justify it is a redox reaction. So what we will do, fluorine is reduced to HF and oxidized to HOF. Fluorine here 0 and fluorine में H is added, so reduced, F2 से HF बना, so therefore H is added, so reduction, reduced to HF, whereas F2 से it has become HOF. Okay, so oxygen is added, so oxidized to HOF. Moreover, what we see, HOF जो है ना बेटे एक हाईली अनस्टेबल मॉलिक्यूल है. हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीफ्लोराइड हाईली अनस्टेबल मॉलिक्यूल. तो इमीडिएटली ये क्या होता है, ब्रेक हो जाता है. कैसे ब्रेक होता है, HOF विल बी ब्रोकन इनटू HF प्लस O2. 2 यहाँ कर दो, 2HF कर दो, 2H 2F and 2O. Okay, in this way it is. So in this reaction also we see hydrogen +1, here also +1, fluorine either oxygen -2, ठीक है, and here it is 0. Okay, so what we see here, fluorine is, if you find oxidation state of HOF में fluorine का फाइंड करो तो 1 - 2 plus x is equal to 0, so -1 plus x is equal to 0, so x is equal to +1. That means here it is +1 and here it is -1. Therefore it is reduction, +1 से -1 हो गया, यानी reduction. Okay, so we will see that F is reduced. Therefore we have written here कि F is reduced. Okay, and O of HOF, O यहाँ -2 यहाँ 0, O is oxidized. Therefore it can be justified that it is a redox. It was a typical type of question. Usually ऐसा question आता नहीं है, but ये book में दिया है. Therefore I had explained you कि HOF का actually क्या chemical reaction है, unstable है, so it will be broken into HF plus O2 by itself. So in HOF oxidation state of F मैंने तुमको फाइंड करना सिखा दिया, बिकॉज हाइड्रोजन +1 ऑक्सीजन -2, तो F का +1 आ रहा है. सो यहाँ +1 से इट बिकेम -1 एंड प्लस ऑक्सीजन -2 से 0. सो ऑक्सीजन का ऑक्सीडेशन एंड फ्लोरीन का रिडक्शन. सो फ्लोरीन इज reduced, oxygen is oxidized, therefore it is a redox reaction. Thank you.